Highlighters and blooms. Hey, hello. And yee, here we go. I got another set of this pure gold photo card. Nasa atin ang panalo. Yes. So we're going to unbox this one. So let's go. Yan. So almost complete na siya. Yan. So here's the Beanie photo cards. Got the duo also. Complete na yung mga individuals. Yan. And currently missing Maloy and Colette for Bini Duo. And for SB19 naman, complete ko na rin lahat ng individuals. I'm just missing one duo. Yan. Si Kentel. Yan. Ken and Stel. Yan. And syempre, the OT5 and OT8. And looking forward, manalo tayo sa Pure Gold. Let's go! Nung raffle na collector's box. Kapag nakakuha ka daw ng OT5 or OT8, you can win the collector's box by joining the raffle. Galing, di ba? Basta makuha nyo lang yung OT5, OT8, or duo photo card. So, first up, yan. Uy, here's Maloy. Maloy. Hopefully, duo. Hey, here's Joanna. Kita ko siya sa Beanieverse World Tour. Grabe, nakapag-selfie ako. Oops. Oh, here's Josh. Hey, here's Josh. Balita ko nagkaroon doon ng nagkaroon ng problem sa suppliers sa Pure Gold. Puro Pablo and Josh daw yung lumabas na photo cards, SB19. Looking forward, may OT5 tayo. Or the duo. Kasi we're just missing the duo and OT5 and OT8. Next up, Josh again. Stacy. Gwen. Oops. It's Pablo. Ayan na nga. Josh and Pablo lang. Buwan na lang 6 lang kinuha kong SB19. Joanna. Yup. Josh. Pablo. Dumo please. Gwen. Gwen again. Wala si Aya man lang or si Mika. Nako, Joanna. Wala si Mika or Aya or duo. Last na to. 1, 2, 3. Sheena. Fortunately, hindi pa rin tayo kompleto. So, we'll just wait for another wave. And looking forward for gold. Nakuha namin OT5, OT8 at yung kulang namin na duo. Please. Or sana pwedeng papalitan. Yay!